I am Juni Bako. Good day. I am the owner of Sakanamitorn Food Services. And this is our Facebook page with the logo, with the profile pic, Juni's Natives and more. Hashtag Sakanamiturn. Sakanamiturn means very delicious or in Hiligaynon, manamit gidya or in Tagalog, masarap. Sobrang sarap. We've been in this business for quite a time. And this has been the bread and butter of our family. This business had helped us in so many challenges in our lives. We gain salary from this business and the business also gains income. When we started, we had a little customers. It's we have because we're only new in Facebook. So we started selling from a limited set of brands. And then we came across with a Facebook page that is maintained by a group of food bloggers and also uh, food enthusiasts. That is Iloilo Food Trip. There, I joined as a member and then later on became their moderator when they saw that I was active in participating in posting my products and my services. There, I gained a lot of customers, both from the city and from the province of Iloilo. Along the way, they tasted my specialty Valenciana and it gained a lot of praise and feedbacks from the customers who once tasted it. Then in that sequence, I was able to gain more customers and more customers. While I was having success on Iloilo Food Trip, I also gained a lot of friends from my own Facebook account. And I'm happy to tell you that most of my Facebook friends are teachers from schools and office workers. And as I gained friends from those target market, I was able to have their testimonies and they posted their testimonies on their Facebook wall as well. The tagline, hashtag Sakanamiturn, became a word of mouth. So from there, I gained more and more customers. I started to have repeat orders and referrals. And but along the way, we met a problem I only since I only care for that time, I only care for cooking and not by delivering the foods that we cook. So the customers are got irritated when the orders don't arrive on time. But fortunately, we gained the service. We came across with the services of the riders. They are a big help to us, especially our friend from Iloilo Rider Passenger and operators. Thankful for them that our business was given a leverage. My wife and I are both graduates or alumni of Academy for Creating Enterprise. As an alumni of Academy for Creating Enterprise, we both understand the importance of keeping records. Armed with the understanding that record keeping is essential for the business to succeed, we had carefully considered the data in our decision making. The data help us decide which menu are profitable, how can we cut costs, and what is our markup on our products. These are the examples of our record keeping. This is the daily sales record for 2024. We started in January, where in January 1, here, and then we have a bulk of order here in March 17, 2024. As you can see, this is from on March 19, we have a book order from Ma'am Ruby Rabina of Mandurriao National High School. They are school teachers who ordered us for their food trays and bento packs. This is the next day of this order. As you can see, we have a net profit of 2,262. She has a repeat order. Mandurriao National High School has repeat order. This is on May 31, 2024. Okay. This is what his order looks like. Okay. You have chicken cordon bleu, lumpia, fish fillet, estofado, suman, chop suey, and valenciana. Okay. These are food in a microwavable tub. This valenciana is sold for 100 pesos with the hashtag Sakanamiturn. This is our specialty. This is another order from Ma'am Sweet La Pasto Elementary School. And our latest order. This is how the order comments look like. When the order comments are coming, we took notes of it and we put it in the list of orders and for purchasing. I'm so grateful that I am a graduate of Academy for Creating Enterprise. My business now helps me in providing for 7 children, and I'm also able to provide for others and became self-reliant. And now I can give back to our barangay whenever there are funerals and other activities in our barangay where I could sponsor. We have been a full-time payer ever since we are in business, and we were able to inspire some of our brothers and sisters to do the same, to start and grow a business. Thank you, Academy for Creating Enterprise. Have a good day, everyone.